Do you know that a lot of infertility so many women are experiencing today is due to high prolactin? This is because when your prolactin is high, it stops you from ovulating because your progesterone and your prolactin hormone do not cross paths. They are two strange enemies. When one is high, the other one will give way. They don't work hand in hand. So when your prolactin is high, your progesterone will be very low, which means you will not ovulate. So in this video, I'll be giving you free home remedy that will dry up that breast milk, that will stop that high prolactin. I don't want to know how many tablets or how many hospitals you've visited, but try this, you would confirm. What is high prolactin? High prolactin is the abnormal breast milk discharge when you are not heavily pregnant and you are not breastfeeding. So some people, their breast discharge milk on its own, that's how they know that they have high prolactin. While for others, their prolactin is very high, but they are not discharging breast milk. That is why you need to go for hormone profile test. When you go for hormone profile test, you will know the level of your prolactin and the level of your progesterone. Another home remedy to know if your prolactin is high is by examining your breasts on a regular basis. Like on a regular basis, try to press your breast, especially the nipple area. Press it to know if there will be any milkish discharge. If there is, you know that your prolactin is very high. How do you dry it up? How do you balance that high prolactin? This home remedy I'm about to drop is very, very effective. First of all, subscribe to this channel. Press that subscribe button. Like this video. Share it with your friends because a lot of women are dying in silence. They have visited so many hospitals, so many gynecologists. They've been placed in so many tablets like those things. And at the end, the high prolactin is still there. That is why some people will even tell you that it doesn't have cure, that they have been on treatment for a long time and nothing has changed. But I'm assuring you today that this remedy will change that condition you think is unchangeable. Just give it a trial. I know how much I do charge people for this recipe if I'm to prepare it for you, because I'm very certain that it will work for you. This is not the remedy you give us with dopamine. My sister, give it a try. And it's not expensive. Please do not look down on it. Do not trash it under your carpet because it's very cheap. Don't try it. So the first recipe is parsley leaf. You know parsley leaf, get it, a handful. You know sage leaf, get sage leaf, a handful. Get alligator pepper, one bunch. Get alligator pepper. Get vital seed. You know vital seed, get half cup of it. Boil these 4 things. Boil it on a medium heat. Boil it for 30 minutes. Take a shot. You know what is shot? That shot they use in taking a ogogoro, that small shot. Take one of it first thing in the morning, or you take one shot of it last thing at night. Please do not take it morning and night because this remedy is very, very active. It's very, very potent. If there is another word that is stronger than potent, that's what I would have used. So please do not take it morning and night, just once daily, first thing in the morning or last thing at night. Do this, be consistent for 2 weeks. Some people, their own dries up in 1 week, so try it for 2 good weeks. As you're doing it, be examining your breasts to know if the discharge you saw before starting this recipe, if it is still there. Be consistent, and please do not take it morning and night. That is very important. Don't take it morning and night. Don't look at it that what is this much, what will it do? It is very, very potent. Another thing you need to do is to share this video. You don't know which life you are saving. Share it. I know what I see on a regular basis from women trying to conceive, and at the last, it is high prolactin that is their problem. Please subscribe to this channel.